Lovely. Welcome back to another Sandwich Saturday. Keeping this one really easy today. We're going to do tuna, egg, cheese. So let's have a look at what we got here. I've got some cheddar cheese. You could be using something different if you wanted, grated. A couple of boiled eggs, hard boiled. 1 can of tuna, a little bit of red onion, and some black pepper. We're going to chop that up, give it a mix. Okay, so mixing bowl, bit of cheddar in there. Let's get our tuna in there. Our egg. A little bit of onion, optional actually. And then some black pepper. I'm not using salt because the cheese is pretty salty. If you want, stick a bit of parsley in there or maybe some chili or something like that. Let's give that a mix. I'll be back. Okay, there you go. Let's get some bread together. Okay, so 2 sandwiches, 4 slices of bread. I'm using white bread. Use any bread that you want. And you can see that I've buttered them. And these are the outside. So let's flip these. Got some sexy gloves on because I'm going to use my hands. And let's drop in our tuna egg mixture. Drop it on there and kind of press it down a bit. It's going to be fantastic, this one. There you go, so all my mixture's done. Pick that up, get that in. And then we're going to put the tops on. So butter side down, butter side up, butter side down, butter side up. And then we're going to go to the machine, pop them in. They're going to be fab. Okay, so I've got one of these kind of press grills. Going to pop them on. Number 1, number 2. Now we're going to get that on maximum heat. I'm going to go for about 4 minutes on my one. These are going to be delicious. You know what we're looking for. Give it a little press down. Okay, let's jump in and have a look. That is looking mighty fine to me. Lovely and toasty. Let's get them on the chopping board. Lovely. Let's get these open. Nice and simple, this one, but delicious. I'm loving that, I'm loving that, I'm loving that. That looks like a perfect sandwich to me. Delicious. See you later.